Hi guys, welcome to the channel featuring me and that little woman legs over there.
Charlie little chicken leg.
Guys, so what's going on is me and Baba here, the pups. Look, he's getting hydrated. We're going to MPIRE's car meet for the 31st of August. Today's date, the last day of the month. So let's see what we're gonna see.
Yeah, it wouldn't be the first day.
Look, we're all ready. Look at us. No. Gentlemen, right? Well, apart from you.
Shut up, bro. What are you telling me?
Let's see what we got. So, oi, what? Come on, man, like Patrick in the movie. Right, so guys, look, we're all getting ready. We're gonna go to the car show, but we've got one problem. So the problem is, guys, that I can't actually take the Fiat today.
That's why we're gonna have to take the
because, whoa, man's telling me the ST, you know.
The fake Fiat 500 and that.
So yeah, basically, as we all know, at the car meets, all the feds are coming now, and we have got a bold tyre. So guys, I'm not going to take the risk to get that £1,000 fine, but we'll see what happens.
No, I said you're a lady, not lady.
So you guys ready? We're going to the Empire meet with the buggy. Come on. Gave it a good polish. There we go. And the baby's fired. Let's go, boys.
Them fix.
There we go, guys, on the North Circular. As you can see, we're all here. No seatbelts. Oh, there's a nice Giulia there, guys. Nice Alfa Romeo. Lovely colour, that one. Probably going to the show, to be honest with you. Guys, have a look at that. That's a proper nicely one. Yellow calipers. Hey, nice. Right, let's hear it, boys. We're going to do a tunnel run. Let's go.
That was so mad.
He actually put his foot down.
I rate that guy. He's got.
Oh my god. The bumps. Ouch.
Old man problems. Ow. Don't know how to push the brake properly. His legs going a bit weak.
Oh, and here's an R8. Actually, that's the normal one. Yeah, normal. Give him a little hoot hoot. Guys, it's the AB10, yeah? Empire boys.
Don't you find it weird how everybody, when we turn up, everybody like the Audi RS5, that's right.
Little meat.
I like what she did to that.
Oh, the blue on that Focus is banging.
It's a wrap, it's not real.
Yeah, of course, but look at that. That's
yeah, it does look
banging.
like it does look like that.
Mark 5 Golf, there we go. GTI is coming down. Oh my days, V6 bi-turbo A4.
It's all about
guys,
the CDI badge on the back. CDI badge on the back is the way forward. It looks standard.
Until you pull off the lights, yeah?
What? I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know why. I like this Volkswagen here. I like the way they do it with the two things.
I like the
And
back
this
of
is
it. I
bang.
can't say I like the front.
M5 as per usual. Do you know what? The number plate on this just kills it. Guys, so we're just showing you the quick lineup. That is loud. That is loud. Guys, you got the M5 there. That is banging.
That's nice.
That is banging. That's the top. Oh, got the gel plate there. There we go.
I don't care that. I like the sound of that.
That's the one. That's the one. Yeah. Oi, the Abath though, I have to say, man, she's done it banging. She's done it banging. This is just mad. Look at this. I just like the rims on it and the side skirt. It looks so banging, man. Abath ICQ, yeah. Yeah, that's banging. And then what have we got here? RS5. Yeah, this is the one that came past before.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. What's that? FTP, yeah? Guys, we'll get the logo in that one. Jamie, have you noticed number plate? Wavy, yeah? Favorite one. Which one? This one? The Audi A10, yeah? V10. Mr. Jamie, what are you saying? What's your favorite? What's your favorite? Out of the lot?
Well, it's still got to be the Model T still.
Still? The T-Bug, yeah? Where is it? Where's the beauty? Oh, there it is, right there, yeah? Where's the beauty there? Here we go, now it's getting more loaded. The bikes are coming, guys.
Punny, wait, Mr. Punny.
Yeah?
Punny, quick question, what's your favourite?
What's my favourite?
Yeah, what's your favourite?
I don't know, probably the real Abath in the corner there that we were looking at.
Yeah, because your one's fake.
My one's fake, exactly.
Punny,
Nah,
you know
to be
what?
fair, probably this M5. I like the way they sound like a Formula 1 car.
Yeah,
and then
but
yeah,
no,
the V10.
Yeah,
Guys, 1 out of 3. A5. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Next to the GTR. White GTR there.
Hey, Annie, not gonna lie to you. I think my favourite car's just changed.
I quite like this.
No, my favourite car's just
This
changed.
is quite nice. The colour of that is
Look at that
banging.
R34 behind us.
Huh?
The one that's got picture that the R34. Look at that one.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
I think that's a
Who left
replica
the
though.
windows open in the GTR?
Yeah, the GTR here. 732 GTR. Yeah, look, and then you got the old Skyline there with the buggy. Come on. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the interior of that thing. With the 3 Series there. And look, Jamie's car. Here we go. Why, you want to drift this one, innit? This is a drift one, look. Look at the back tyres. Hammered in, and then you got the front ones porched out like that, yeah.
Camber. It's because it's got camber at the front and no camber.
Oh, oi. He went to go for it. Didn't go for it. Did he go very far, guys? Do you want to comment on that? And then here we get, it's all the front wheel drive cars mainly. Got some old classics, got the BM. J's 05 boy. And you got all the street antics crew here, all in a line. Hey look, all the street antics like. So guys, these are the people that make the other car meet called Street Antics, which runs at the other weekend of the month. You got the Corsa, you got the Vauxhall there, the older shape. Street Antics Focus, and then this Hyundai i30, I quite like them.
Do you?
Yeah, I don't know why, they look quite decent. Look at that, guys. ST Sexy G.
I think the back, what does it sound like?
Look at that. ST Sexy G, mad thing. Right. Facing it though, your beautiful face, fam. Got a BMW lineup, the
I
old
quite like that
330
green.
there.
That green's nice.
2 Series, got the gold, MAE up. Got shape M3. This was the one that was popping and banging when we came down here, innit?
No.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. It was a different one. It was a
Was
blue
it?
one. No, it was. I don't know what colour it was. It wasn't.
So which one's your favourite out of the three?
The green one.
Huh?
The green one.
Which green one?
It's a green. That's a green.
Oh, you like the 2 Series?
Yeah, no, it's a BMW M3, bro.
No, it's not.
No, the green one, bro. Not the blue, the green.
What
That's green,
bro?
bro. It's not yellow.
Oh, gold.
It's not gold, bro. It's green. That's
Alright,
what it comes
guys,
as, I
you
think.
lot comment, yeah? What
think,
colour
I
is
don't
that?
know.
Is that gold or would you say it's green?
I say that's more green than gold.